Oh my God! What's happening? Oh my God, where are you?
Right here on this
Oh my
toilet.
God! Oh my God! What?
Oh my God! Our table that we made for the Baldonis is in People magazine.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
What?
Yes!
What do you
Look,
mean?
here it is, the article.
Oh my God! What does it say? What does it
A
say?
family house built with love, and then their living room, which we have sat in.
Oh.
And then you turn to the third page and look right here. Special notice. You can hardly see the table, but it says a sentimental centerpiece. The table was a gift from a female woodworker and a female metalworker. That's us! Who were fans of Justin's viral 2017 TED Talk about redefining masculinity.
Oh my God!
Yeah! Look at their cute
Your
house.
favorite magazine.
Oh yes, of course.
Oh
I
my
read it
God!
all the time on the toilet.
That's amazing.
Social media is amazing. One of the reasons why I love it is because I get to meet people I wouldn't normally get to meet. This is Sally.
Hi.
This is Monica. There's my wife. Say hi. Hey. So here we are, 2 months after we met on DM. Sally and Monica reached out to me because they were inspired by the idea of redefining masculinity, and they are in a traditionally masculine field in woodworking and metalworking, and as a gift they wanted to give Emily and I a present for our new home. And they've just driven 7 hours from Northern California, and they've brought us the most beautiful table we've ever seen. Custom made, walnut,
Beautiful.
all made by women.
Yes.
These are old plows from the early 1900s.
Amazing.
And this is an amazing live edge slab of walnut from Northern California.
And that's another walnut. Support two amazing women that are changing the game in a man's world and creating gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous stuff.
Hammer out danger, hammer out warning. I'd hammer out love between my brothers and my sisters all over this land.